Today I rise in this August House to oppose this bill. At the outset, I would like to thank the Governor of Uttarakhand for now giving his assent to the bill and reserving the bill for the President's assent. Honorable Speaker, as an opposition member, it is my duty to uphold the democratic spirit of this nation and raise my voice whenever the government intends to overstep its boundaries. And I think today is one such moment. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आज सदन में मौजूद हैं। मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि वे सदन के माध्यम से देश को बताएं कि उन्होंने पिछले 11 वर्षों में राष्ट्रव्यापी समान नागरिक संहिता को लागू करने की दिशा में कौन से कदम उठाए हैं। माननीय कानून मंत्री जी और गृह मंत्री द्वारा संविधान का अनुच्छेद 44 का हवाला दिया गया। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, I would like to enlighten them that Article 44 clearly spells out the state shall endeavour to secure for its citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Now, distinguished members, just focus on two keywords: citizen and the territory of India. Now, the citizenship cannot be state specific. There cannot be a separate citizen of Uttarakhand and a separate citizen of Uttar Pradesh. It has to be a citizenship of India, and then any such legislation has to be implemented from the territory of India. So it is beyond the purview of any state government to legislate on the subject matter of UCC, and this bill is unconstitutional. Article 44 also tells about endeavour that needs to be taken by the state. That is, it talks about the state to adopt bottom-up, to have dialogue, to have discussion, to build consensus and evolve. But rather than this, the government has taken the other way around. In fact, in the name of building consensus, out of 1.23 crore people of Uttarakhand, this government has said to interview to only 2,000 people. Just imagine the sample size. Honorable Law Minister must explain his position. Now, another, in fact, one of the key aspects of this bill, another key aspect of this bill is that the entire scheduled tribe community of Uttarakhand has been left over. Now, an entire community has been left over, and the bill is named as Uniform Civil Code. I think this bill should be rather named as Uttarakhand